Okay, so I want to share a couple of little things that I've been running into reproducing these 44 game getter shells. This is a round ball. This is a dummy that I made up. Notice I have a crimp top and bottom. The bottom crimp is quite excessive. It's very thick. It's made with the factory crimp die. And here's what I'm doing. After setting the bullet like I normally would and putting a roll crimp on the top, you turn it upside down and you drop it down inside. You got to drop it down quite far. Give her a little crimp. Give it a little crimp, and as you can see, it's a big old nasty crimp, but it's not down nearly far enough, and it's really wide. So there's a couple of things that I got to do, a couple options that I have. Option one is continue using something like this with just a washer, and that's probably what I will do. However, if I go this route, I've got to cut some off the top of the die so it'll drop the bullet down in. That's by far the easiest thing for me to do. Option number two, drop the bullet right down inside the die, but if I do that, I have to make up a plunger like we use for our push-through sizing kits that will catch the bullet. And it's got to fit up inside the die, and yeah, if I do that, the die will crimp by setting off the top of the ram, which is not a big deal. That's completely doable. That won't harm a thing. Really, all I should have to do with that is take one like this, one of my 30 caliber push-through pieces. Let's try that. Yes, that'll work perfect. Let's drop a case in there. Well, I can't drop a case. It needs to have a bullet in it. But that'll crimp. Done. Stay tuned. More on this to come. But for now, I'm going to load up some like this without the bottom crimp. I'm going to take them to the range. I'm going to see how they shoot. Thanks for watching.